Here, I will show you how to set up the favorite and like on a plane that looks animated, but it's just being played by a cinematic. You can use any images you want. I will just make a basic one for the tutorial. These textures are available free in my Discord. After you copy the images over into UEFN, get a plane and add the texture to the plane. I will be using 3 images, one for interaction, one for thank you, and one for a mouse movement. Move and resize your textures into place where you want them to be. Now create a level sequence. Add all textures you want to use to the level sequence. Press the plus next to each texture and press Actor hidden in-game. Only tick visible for the arrow and interaction texture. Add keyframes to all transformation and visibility. I will be using a 2-second movement for the arrow. I will move it and rotate it to where I want and then press the keyframe on the transform. Add all keyframes for other planes again. Now, on a 0.2 seconds, I want the arrow to go smaller. Then, on another 0.2, it should revert back to its size. Now on this keyframe, I want the texture for Interact to disappear and make the Thank You texture appear. On the Interact texture, tick Visible, and on the Thank You texture, tick Visible. Now the Interact plane should not be visible and the Thank You plane should be visible. Keyframes will be auto-added. Last thing we need to do is move the arrow back to the start. On the texture for arrow, find the first keyframe on Transform. Copy it with Ctrl+C. Move to your timeline and press Ctrl+V. Save and close. Get a cinematic device. Select the sequence and make it loop and autoplay. If you are a Patreon subscriber and are struggling to add this, I will install this into your map if needed. Thank you for supporting. Join Core UEFN.